Today we are super excited. I get to see the baby today. We're going to this place to do an ultrasound, and they also have a service to where they make a 3D frame.
When we first walked in on our first visit, that's when I noticed the 3D printing on the counter. And it really caught my eye. That's when I knew we had to have one.
So today's a special day. Today's the day we get to see our baby again. Nice goop, lady.
I'm sorry, I can't see it.
I'll be sure to.
Sorry, it's so small. You just drink up on the water.
Does alcohol count?
On the first try, we couldn't get a good ultrasound. Kristin tried everything from drinking water to eating a candy bar, but the baby wasn't cooperating. So we stepped out, got a quick bite, and tried our luck the second time. Apparently he likes McDonald's, and we got these great images. On these images, you can really see his face. You can see his eyes, his nose, his lips, and his arms.
Not the blackness, but the shadows up there, like the little, that shows here. Alright, so this is 1 of 20, and I'm going to go through the pictures. You let me know if you want to compare a couple. I can write some down. And
Kind of cool. What do you think, man? Like that one? Yep. Those are good. Yeah.
let's see if we got any more parts. I mean, these are not bad.
Yeah, those are nice. Like the other one was like good.
Making a decision on which image we wanted to use was pretty tough, but these are some of the images. At the end, I think it turned out really nice.